Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the solution of ordinary differential equation with the help of power series solution. That means first we assume the solution in the form of power series, then we will find the solution for ordinary differential equation. This type of problem occurs when we are not able to find out a solution of differential equation from our traditional methods like uh, from the previous unit we know to find out the CF and the PI, but if we are not able to find out the auxiliary equation for the differential equation, then in that type of differential equation we assume a solution in the form of power series and we find the solution in that form. Now, what is power series? A series expressed in a form of this infinite series summation n 0 to infinity Cn x minus x0 to the power n is called a power series. For n1, for n0, when n is 0 we have c0, when n is 1 we have c1 x minus 0 to the power 1, when n is 2 c2 x minus x0 to the power 2 and so on. So this is called a power series in x minus x0. If we assume x0 is 0, then we have an infinite series n0 to infinity cn xn, that will be c0 c1x plus c2 x square and so on. For example, you all have know about that e to the power x is equal to 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 and so on. This is also known as a infinite series of summation n 0 to infinity x to the power n upon factorial of n. Now the ordinary and singular point in this concept, a point x is equal to x0 is called ordinary point of equation. A standard second order differential equation is d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus q y, where p and q is a function of x. If both the function p and q are defined on x is equal to x0. If the point x0 is not an ordinary point of differential equation, then it is called a singular point of differential equation. There is two types of singular point: regular singular point and irregular singular point. If a singular point x is equal to x0 of differential equation is defined on x minus x0 px and x minus x square qx, then it is called a regular singular point. Otherwise it is called irregular singular point. Now we consider one example. Determine whether x is equal to 0 is an ordinary point or regular point of the differential equation. This, where 2x square d square y by dx square plus 7x x plus 1 dy by dx minus 3y is equal to 0. Now to convert this equation in the standard equation form, we require to divide this complete equation with 2x square. When we divide this complete equation with 2x square, we get d square y by dx square plus 7 x plus 1 by 2x dy by dx minus 3 upon 2 x square y dy. Now this is the value of px and this will be the value of qx. Now the value of px and qx are given, but these values are not defined at x equal to 0. When we substitute the value of x0, it will be goes to infinite, not defined at x is equal to 0. So it is not an ordinary point. So x0 is a singular point. If it is not an ordinary point, then it is not, it is singular point. Why it is not ordinary point? Because p and q is not defined on x0. Now x minus x0 px and x minus x0 whole square qx. We calculate this value where x0 is 0. So we get x minus 0 px and x minus 0 whole square qx are defined at x equal to 0. Therefore, x0 is a regular singular point. Now, a problem is given for you. Please solve this problem and find out the solution. If you are getting any problem, any doubt, feel free to contact your concerned class faculty related to this doubt in your doubt session. The first question is, show that x0 is an ordinary point in this equation, but x1 is a regular singular point. And the second question is, show that x0 and x minus 1 are singular point of this given equation, where the first is irregular and other is regular point. Now, the main topic of this unit, Legendre differential equation. A differential equation in this form is called a Legendre differential equation. 1 minus x square d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus n plus 1 y is equal to 0, where n is a positive integer. To solve this equation, we assume the solution. Let y is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to, over here we assume r, because n is already given in the equation. So the r is equal to 0 to infinity ar k to the power n minus r. When we substitute this assumed solution in Legendre equation, we find that there is a solution of y is equal to a p n x plus b q n x, where the value of p n x and q n x are defined as p n x is equal to 135, that means 2 minus 1 upon factorial n, and the complete value. And similarly for q. Now, if we define the values of p and q over here, the value of p and x, is equal to summation r 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power r factorial 2n minus 2r upon 2 to the power n factorial r factorial n minus 2r and factorial n minus r into x to the power n minus 2r. If we expand this term, we get the previous p and x. Now, this is the p and x is the Legendre function, defined as a Legendre function. Now, the recurrence relation. These recurrence relation are most important recurrence relation, so it is required to be remembered. First is 2n plus 1 x pn, that is Legendre function. Pn is a Legendre function, is equal to n plus 1 pn plus 1 plus npn plus minus 1. Second is npn is equal to x pn dash minus pn minus 1 dash. Third is 2n plus 1 pn is equal to pn plus 1 dash minus pn minus 1 dash. Dash means the derivative. N plus 1 pn is equal to pn plus 1 derivative minus x pn dash 1 minus x square into pn derivative is equal to n pn minus 1 minus x pn. And sixth is 1 minus x square pn dash is equal to n plus 1 x pn minus pn plus 1. And the generating function for Legendre polynomial is summation n0 to infinity h to the power n pnx is equal to 1 minus 2xh plus h square whole power minus 1 by 2, where p0x is 1. Legendre equation and its solution are widely used to determine the wave function of electrons in an orbit of atom, and to determine the potential function in the spherical system geometry. Also in a nuclear reactor physics, Legendre polynomial have an extraordinary importance in the day-to-day life process. Thank you, and for any doubt and any query, please feel free to contact your concerned class faculty in your doubt session. Stay home, stay safe.